Hey everyone, this is my first time sewing on my Singer 6600C heavy duty sewing machine that I got for Christmas. I'm actually putting a blanket together. Let's see how nice it runs. I've actually already did the bobber and put the thread in. It's really simple. You don't have to thread the bobbin up through it. It automatically, it's really a nice sewing machine. And it goes super fast if you want it to go super fast. I actually didn't pin my blanket together because I really need it pinned together. Wow, look at it go. It's really nice. I did have a white sewing machine and it locked up on me. So my husband actually surprised me with this new one for Christmas. I'm going to sew all around these two pieces of fleece, all but a small part. That way I can turn it right side out. You got a really nice smooth sew to it. Really nice. Actually, I can push this button here if I want it to stop with the needle down. Then I can push it again if I want it to stop with the needle up. But I'll put it with the needle down. And then if you need to back stitch, you just push this button here. And it's all done by push button. And then you got the little chart that slides out here. I'll go ahead and finish this up and then I'll put another video on the next item I make. But I just wanted to give you a look at the new sewing machine. It's actually a really nice sewing machine. It's got this little storage unit that pops down. Put some supplies in it if you want. But that's about all for now. But I'll let you know how the project goes and show it to you and put my next one on. Thanks for joining in.